Made by pranxeditz. Made by pranxeditz.
You all have seen this type PFP outro everywhere, but you still don't know how to make it. I am here. In today's video, I am gonna teach you how you can make this type PFP outro in Capcut, that too in very simple steps. So make sure you subscribed and hit that like button, and let's cook.
Open PicsArt and choose your PFP. Then go to the border section. Then keep the thickness as you want. Then select the color as you want. And then export the clip. Then open Capcut. Then select PFP that we make in PicsArt. Then choose the aspect ratio to 1:1. Then go to transform section and keep the zoom as you want. Keep the duration of clip to 2 seconds. Then add a keyframe at start and at the end. At the first keyframe, go to transform and keep the zoom 0 and rotate the PFP to 180 degrees. Then set the graph as I am doing. Then add the overlay, which you will get in the comment box. Then go to speed and reduce the speed. Then go to splice and select lighten. Then go to text. Then write your channel's name. Go to text to speech and select the character as you want.
Made by pranxeditz.
Then delete the text. Then select the audio and go to audio effects and select mic echo.
Made by pranxeditz.
Then keep the strength to 80.
Made by pranxeditz.
Then go to effects and select glow 2.
Made by pranxeditz.
Go to adjust and set glow and size to 40.
Made by pranxeditz.
Then to create fade out animation, go to overlay, then go library and select black background. Then keep the duration of clip to 0.5 seconds. Then add a keyframe at the start and at the end. Then go to the first keyframe and set the opacity to 0.
Made by pranxeditz.
And I got to glow 2 effect and keep the object to all videos.
Made by pranxeditz.
Then export the video. And you are done.
Made by pranxeditz.